Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine. Right. So in the last class we discussed that is the exercise number. Which one? It is a division of decimal numbers, right? Division of decimal numbers. It is exercise number 2.6. That over. Okay. I left that is the last 4-word problem, right? That all are belongs to division only. Do the division, you will get the answers. Okay, last 4 problems, that is the word problems. Okay, and do sentence with yourself only, because you are in a 7th standard, right? You have to know how to make the sentence formation also. Okay, so today we'll start with that is a metric system of units. Okay, in that conversion of a units is also there, length and mass. Okay, so how to do here conversion? I'll say that is, say here first one is a, see, king. To remember that one, they given one sentence here. King Henry doesn't usually drink a chocolate milk. Okay, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, the King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. They given one sentence like here. Okay, so means here K means what? K means kilogram. K means kilogram, and what is the meaning of H here? That is a hecto. Here it is a kilo and it is a hecto, and D for here, this is a deca I think. Yeah, deca, and this one is a base unit. Okay, and here D means deci, C means centi, and M means milli. Okay, so K for kilo, H for hecto, D for deca. Leave this one. Usually it is a unit. Okay, it doesn't matter here. D means deci, C means centi, M means milli. Okay, so A means kilo, H means hecto, D means deca, U means it is a base unit, and small d means it is a deci, and C means centi, and M means milli. Okay, so this is the conversion of units here, metric system, and it is denoted by symbol. For kilo is K, and hecto is H, and deca is DA I think. Yes, it is a DA, and base unit nothing. Okay, it is a deci means D, and centi means C, and milli means M. Okay, so these are the notations for the units. These are all the units. Okay, kilogram, hectogram, decogram, decigram, centigram, milligram, like that. Okay, so smaller to bigger I am written here. This is smaller to, sorry, bigger to smaller, bigger to smaller, all these things are. Okay, and here if you come from that, it will become a smaller to bigger. Okay, this arrow mark indicates. From that, it is a smaller to bigger. From this, it is a bigger to smaller. Okay, so King Henry doesn't usually drink a chocolate milk. To remember all the units, these are nothing but kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. All this to remember, you have to remember this sentence. Usually you will remember this sentence, right? If you say that all the mathematics form, all the science form, all those things you cannot form. If we tell that in is a story, one story, if we can that make as a story, and if you say that story or that statement as a story, then you will remember every time. That's why they given it to remember this sentence. That is the King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, the King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. To remember all the units they given our sentence here. Okay, K means kilo, H means hecto, D means deca, U means it's a basic unit. Okay, D means deci, C means centi, M means milli, K, here H, D, A. These are the notations. K means kilogram, H means hectogram, DA means it's a decagram, D only D they given it's a deci, and only C it means centi, only M they given it means it is milli. Okay, so these are the notation also. Next one we'll go with the next one, that is the yes. See here, if we goes on like this, then multiply. If you are when you are converting, and if you are coming from that and do the division. Okay, division by which value here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't consider this one. Okay, leave this one. Here, this is if you are converting kilo to hecto. Kilo to hecto means you have to multiply by 10 here. Here 100 and here 1000 and here, sorry, don't write here. Here 1000, here 10,000 and here 1 lakh. Okay. So if you are converting kilo to milli, 1 kilogram is equal to how many milligram? 1 kilogram is equal to 1 lakh milligram. Okay, you have to multiply with the 1 lakh value. Okay, if you are converting this milligram to kilogram, milligram to kilogram means you have to divide with the 1 lakh value. Okay, see here properly. Here 10, here 100. Leave this one. This is 1000, 10,000. Next one is the 1 lakh value. Okay, if you are converting this king to milligram, means here bigger to smaller you are converting. If you are converting bigger to smaller unit, then multiply here. Okay, if you are converting from smaller to bigger, okay, from smaller to bigger you are converting, then do the division always. Okay, it is a hint to do the all the conversion problems here. Okay, so we'll start with the exercise number 2.7 now. Start exercise number 2.7. Exercise number 2.7. Okay, in that first we are having convert. Convert. First one is 35 meter into kilometer. Okay, 35 meter into kilometer. Meter means meter is a small unit comparatively kilometer, right? So here 35 meter into, that is a kilometer you have to do here. So we know that that is a 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. We know that one, right? So divide here 35 meter divided by 1000. That is equal to how much? 0.035 kilometer. Like this you have to do the conversion. Okay. Next go for the next one. 25 kilometer into meters. Okay. Next convert 25. 1 second. In the last diagram, you left that is a usually drink, right? Middle value left. Okay, don't leave here. That is a King Henry doesn't the King Henry doesn't usually drink. Next one is a chocolate milk is there, right? So here it is a 10, it is a 100 and it is a 1000. Okay, here only 1000 take and here 10,000 and here 1 lakh and here 10 lakh. Okay, so like that 110 you have to increase. Consider this also. Okay, I did a mistake. So here consider this also, it will become a 1000. Usual base unit is nothing but a meter, gram, liter. Okay, these are called as the base units. Okay, so next one here, convert second problem, 2.7 second problem, 25 kilometer into meter. Okay, 25 kilometer into meter you have to convert. 25 kilometer into meter means 25, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, we already know. So we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit. Means we have to here multiply. That is equal to how much? 25,000 meter. Okay. Do the next problem. Third one. That is 57.29 meter into hectometer. Observe the diagram. Hectometer. Okay, so we are converting meter. Meter is nothing but a base unit. It is base unit. From base unit, where is hecto? Okay, means here this meter is a bigger value and we are going to, sorry, this is a smaller value and we are going to the bigger value. So smaller to bigger means what we have to do? Smaller to bigger means we have to do the division. So here 57.29 divide by how many? After base unit, see here is a base unit is there and next dozen, here only hecto. 1, 2 means divide by 100 here. So you will get a, that is 0.5729 hectometer. Okay, now to count here. This is a base unit, here is a meter is there. So here it is a deca and it is a hecto. Deca, hecto. How many? 2. So you have to divide with the 100 number. So 0.5729 is the hectometer. Okay. So next one is a 35.72 decimeter into meter. Third one. Third problem. What is that one? Third one. 35.72 decimeter into meter. Okay. So here 35.72 decimeter into meter. Decimeter into meter means observe the diagram. That is observe that one. Where is the deci? Deci to meter. Deci to meter means it is again a which one? Bigger to smaller. Oh, sorry, smaller to bigger. So this one is a here bigger to smaller is there, right? So deci will comes here and meter will comes here. So this one is a meter is a bigger and deci is a also this is a bigger to smaller. This is a smaller one. So smaller to bigger we are converting. Smaller to bigger means we have to divide with the 10 value. Only 10 value you have to divide. Here decimeter is there, meter is there. So this is the bigger to smaller. But we are converting smaller to bigger here. Deci is smaller and meter is a bigger value. So how much by how much? Only by 10. So divide that value by 10 and get the answer. Answer is 35.72 divided by 10. That is equal to 3.572 meter. Answer is. Okay. Same thing do for the second main and third main. Okay. So we'll see. I will tell two problems in second main and third main. In second main, convert same 9.38 kg into milligram. Second main, go for the second main. Second main. Second main. Yeah, first one. 9.38 kg. 9.38 kg into milligram. Milligram is the last one. Means it is a bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller means we have to multiply. Okay. So here 9.38 into multiply by how much is a 10 lakh. Right. Count here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 6. 6 zeros you have to multiply. Yeah, 10 lakh. Okay. So otherwise write like this 9.38 10 to the power. How many zeros are there, right? That much you have to write as a power. 6 zeros like this. Okay. This is also correct. So here milligram. Next to the second one. What is the second problem? 2643.7 milligram into kilogram. Same reverse process. Means do the division here. 0.7 divided by 6 zeros. That is equal to 0.0026437 kg. That is the correct answer. Okay. So like this we have to do the conversions. Next go for the third main. In second main another two problems, do it yourself. Just by observing that working theory we can do all the problems. If it is a bigger to smaller then multiply. If it is smaller to bigger then do the division. Okay. Third main first problem. Third main first one is 0.56 liter into deciliter. Okay, 0.56 liters into deciliter. Liter to deciliter means liter is the base unit, deciliter is the next one. Means it is a bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller means we have to do the multiplication. It is by 10 only. So it is 5.6 deciliter. 5.6 deciliters. Okay. Next one is second one. Do the second one. So 58 liters into milliliters. 58 liters into milliliters. Liter is a base unit. Base to milli means how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Count. So multiply by 1000. That is equal to 58,000 milliliters. 58,000 milliliters. That is the answer. Okay. We finished the third main also. Now go for the fourth main. That is a fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank boxes with the appropriate figures. Appropriate figures. First main. 1,32,000 centigram is there. Here how many kg? Centigram to kg means divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide with the 5 zeros. You will get the answers. First one, fill in the blanks. Okay, 2.7. Fourth main, the first problem. Here kg is there is equal to, you have to observe and you have to fill. See here, divide with a 5 0, that is 1 lakh. If these 0 will cancel, left with a 1.32. Okay, so 1.32 kg is equal to that much centigram. Answer. Okay, next go for the second one. What is the second one? One second. Okay, leave. So second one, 72.53 liter. 72.53 liter is the base unit. To deciliter. Deciliter means here only one is there. So multiply by 10. Second one is equal to here. Multiply by 10 means this point will shift here. 725.3 deciliter. Answer. Okay. So next one, 552.63. Same. Similarly like this only, how to do the conversions and write the proper answers in that given boxes. Okay. Next fifth one is a Dinesh went from a place A to place B, from their place C, and A is a 7,500 meter from B, and B is a 12.7 kilometer from C, and Ayub went from place A to place D, and from there to C, and D is a 9.3 kilometer from A, and C is a 1.1. So these are the lengthy problem is there, fifth one, sixth one, eighth one. We'll do it in the next class only. Okay. So that one will continue in the next class. Till that, be safe in your home. And after solving this 5 and 6, 7 problem, we don't solve that all the exercise and mental maths. Okay, that one do it yourself. Directly we'll start with the next chapter. Okay, so here fifth one, sixth one we'll see in the next class. And homework is solve exercise number 2.7, first main, second main, third main, and fourth main in a HW. That is the homework for you. And fifth one, sixth one, seventh one we'll do in the next class. Okay. Till that, be safe in your home. Okay. Thank you everyone.